Hello guys, in this opportunity I'm going to be adjusting my son Kyle. He's 9 years old, so you guys going to see how it's like to perform an adjustment on a child. Okay, Kyle, if you don't mind, son, we'll have a seat right here. And then what I want you to do is go like that. Keep your chin to your chest and take a deep breath in for me. All the way out, all the way out. Good job. One more time. Good job. Now, this one up. How was that? Okay, let's go to your side. Face me. On the side. Good job. The bottom leg straight. There you go. And then I'm going to place you like this. You ready? And then on this one, don't help me out. Don't stiffen out. Relax more. There you go. And let's go to the next one. Good job. This one. You did very good. And like you see, it's gentle. It's a gentle adjustment. There's no force. He's 9, so I'm not gonna, even in adult, I don't apply force. It's just a technique. Let's go face up. Yep. And then I need you to be fully relaxed. I mean straight, yeah. And then move the neck. It's easy, gentle. Just like that. And this one is quick. It's an impulse. And that's it. High five. How do you feel?
Awesome.
How was the adjustment?
Good.
You can talk to the camera.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Do you recommend kids your age getting adjusted?
100%.
Why?
Because it's easy. You don't go hard.
And you trust your chiropractor? How much?
100 out of a billion. I mean, no. A billion out of 100.
Okay. Besito. Okay, thank you.